Hello students, today I'm going to show you how to make a graph using the spreadsheet feature of Google Sheets in your Drive. And I'm going to make a graph of the COVID-19 cases that we've had in Fresno County since we had school shutdown. So I'm getting my data from the County of Fresno Health Department website, and if you go there you can get a total number of cases every day at 4 p.m. And I've been writing those down on a piece of paper. So in my Drive, I'm going to click on New, and I'm going to scroll down to the green icon that says Google Sheets. And this is a spreadsheet feature that you're going to really want to learn how to use. I'm going to make a comparison between the date and the number of cases that we've had. Now, I started recording my dates on March 22nd when we first were out of school. And on that day, there were only 7 cases. And I want to record all the number of cases since that date, but writing all the dates down will be really boring. Luckily, the spreadsheet has a shortcut. I can click on this cell that has March 22nd, and you see the blue box in the corner. If I move my cursor so it's a plus sign and drag it down, the computer will automatically fill in dates for me. The number of cases, though, I'm going to have to hand type in based on the information that I've written down every day as I've been checking the website since we've been out of school. And you can see, as we've talked about it happening, that the number of cases is increasing, but it's not increasing as steeply as one would expect, which is a good sign that we're all practicing social distancing. So let's talk about making a graph of this data. I'm going to click and drag to highlight the cells that have data in them. And then up here where it says Insert, right underneath where the title should be, I click Insert, and halfway down that drop-down menu is the word Chart. And the computer will decide what sort of chart I should make. It defaults to a line graph in this case because it's dates, and time has usually got a continuous relationship. And it is true that each day the number of cases is related to the previous day, but the number of cases is a discrete number of people. And so in this case, a bar graph is more appropriate for a discrete number of cases. Now we can customize this graph to make it a little bit more friendly. You can click on things to change the color, change the grid line, all that sort of stuff. You can play around with that at your leisure. But over here where it says Customize, this is where you can change, say, the chart title. So if I go down and I want to change the chart title to be more informative, I want to say Fresno County COVID-19 cases in 2020. And so now the title is telling me a little bit more information than it was before. The dates are really scrunched also. So I can also scroll down to the horizontal axis because the x-axis is horizontal. And I can fix the way it is slanted. So I can change the slanting to any tilt I want. I think 60 degrees might look nice, and it does. We can play around with this more. I encourage you to try it yourself and play around with it. There's all sorts of ways you can customize it, remove the word date, things like that. If you want to delete the graph, these 3 dots up here are where you can remove it, delete chart. You can also copy it if you want to paste it into something that you're going to use for another class, say a Word document. I hope you find this useful and informative. Take care, be healthy, wash your hands.